Welcome back. If you're watching this, it means you have already deeper into the relationship, and that is a huge step. Today, we are going to talk about how therapy at the marriage fit will be work and what you can expect and how it will be help you and even with your partner to get closer and stronger together. When couple come to us, the marriage fit, they are not just looking for a temporary fix. You are here because you are ready to transform your relationship in a way that lasts. Maybe you are feeling disconnected, weighed down by arguments that never seems to be resolved, or carrying the emotional baggages of unmet needs and old resentments. I want you to know that you are here in the right place. Just like a doctor wouldn't prescribe treatment without understanding what's truly wrong. We don't make assumptions about your relationship needs. We start with a thorough pre assessment. This phase is about uncovering the root issues so we can design a plan that genuinely works for you. Imagine going to the doctor with a severe pain. You wouldn't want them to just give a painkillers and send you off without figuring out what's causing the problem, right? Maybe the pain is due to something serious like an infection or inflammation or internal damage that needs the right treatment. The same goes for your relationship. We cannot just put a quick fix on a struggle. We need to understand what's truly or really going on beneath the surface level. That's where our pre assessment comes in it. It's like a deep dive to figure out what's driving into the challenges already you're facing. We focus these key areas. Our pre-assessment phases is about understanding every aspects of your relationship dynamics. Here, what we focus on. We begin with the comprehensive history of your relationship, your individual background, and life experiences. This is the cornerstone of in our pre-assessment. Your past, how you were raised, past relationship, and major life events that shape you, how you communicate, to connect, and to react to each other today. Understanding this history that will be gives us full and deeper picture how you relate so we can provide best guidance moving forward to you. Rapport formation and relationship dynamics. We aim to create a safe, trusting environment where both you feel comfortable and sharing. Building this rapport help us understand the intricate dynamic of your relationship and how you both interact with positive and even negatively. Secondly, love languages and value systems. Everyone has unique way of giving and receiving love. We identify your love languages and the core values you each other hold. Recognizing these transform how you meet each other's emotional needs and deepen your connections. To make this assessment thorough and scientific, we use established tools like Gottman Method Relationship Checkup, among others. This is not just guesswork. It's backed by science and help us to understand how you handling in a conflict, connect and emotionally and cope up with the stress. With this information, we can create a plan that's specifically designed for you and even for your partner. I understand that when couple comes to us, they are often feeling desperate and overwhelmed. The pain in your relationship is real, and waiting for help just is not an option. That's why, even while we work to uncover the deeper issues causing your struggle, we also provide immediate support to ease some of the pain right away. Think of it like walking into the emergency room in severe pain. You would want to relieve immediately, even as the doctor figure it out on what's really wrong in you. That's exactly what we aim to do with our first interventions. Here are some simple techniques we use: CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and ACT, acceptance and commitment therapy. CBT focusing on to helping you to recognize and challenge with your negative thoughts that can harm even in your relationship. By breaking these unhealthy patterns, you can create more positive interactions. And on the other hand, ACT encourage you to accept uncomfortable emotions without letting them to control of your behavior. Mindfulness and deep breathing. Mindfulness is about staying present it in the moment without even judgment, which can help you to manage your stresses. Deep breathing calms both your body and even your mind, making it is easier to respond to your partner with the patience and understanding, even when things get intense. The 5 minute pause. When things are getting heated, taking a 5 minute break can do wonders. The simple pause allows both of you to cool off, reset, and come back with a conversation with clear head. It's based on the CBT technique use and helping break the cycle of negative reactions, allowing you to approach the situation with more compassion. The Gottman method, another, is a set of strategies for improving your communication and even reducing conflicts. They help couple to understand each other's feelings and need, creating a stronger foundation of trust and connections. It teaches skill like active listening and managing even your emotion during any kind of disagreements, making relationship healthier and more resilient. Another one technique here is emotional focused therapy. EFT that will be help couple to understand the emotional trigger that lead to conflict and how to address them. By identifying this pattern, you can reconnect emotionally, creating a deeper bond and more security in your relationship. It encourages couple to express their vulnerability and need in a safe and non-judgmental way. Another technique is imagotherapy. This imagotherapy is focusing on understanding how your childhood experiences influence your current relationship even. It emphasizes empathetic communication, helping you and even your partner to connect more deeply by listening and understanding each other's perspective. By doing so, you can heal old wounds and create a stronger emotional connections. These easy techniques are the way to find relief and bringing some peace into your relationship right from the start. But that's the only the first step. Our goal is to do more than just help you feel better in the short term. We want to be build strong, lasting, foundational for real changes. Once we have addressed some of the immediately the pain, we will dive deeper into the understanding the real issues at the core of your struggles. Frequent arguments or emotional distance are very often sign of bigger and unresolved problems like old wounds and unmet emotional needs. We are here to help you to tackle these root causes so that issues don't keep coming back to your life. By the end of our pre-assessment phases, you will having a clear understanding of what's truly holding you back, and you will feel empowered by the immediate step you have already taken. This is about more than the hope, it's about creating tangible progress even from day one as well.